Hello, and welcome back to our geometry videos. This is Unit 6. We're now on to question number 23. Still dealing with some congruence and similarity and flowcharts and whatnot. And so we have to determine if each pair of triangles are similar, if they're congruent, or maybe they're neither. And if they are similar or congruent, then we will justify that using a flowchart. So let's take a look at the first problem here. So we got these two triangles. I have two angles in each triangle. Right now, only one of them matches up. So the 18s match up. Obviously, the 140 is different than the 21. So what we got to do is figure out the third angle in each of these triangles to determine if they're actually going to be similar or not. I know right off the bat I can't get them to be congruent because I don't have any information about the sides. I only have angles. So let's see if we can figure out this. We'll call this x. So we can figure out angle x. So all three angles in a triangle add 180. We're going to subtract off the 140 degree angle. That leaves us with 40. And then I'm going to subtract off this 18 degree angle. 40 minus 18 is 22, and 22 is not the same as 21. So these are neither. They are not similar, and they are definitely not congruent. Our second example here, maybe doesn't look like we're given a lot of information about the insides of the triangle, but we know these lines are parallel, so we can use what we know about parallel lines to help us out. So parallel lines cut by a transversal create what are called alternate interior angles. And so looks like we have a pair of angles here that we just marked because their alternate interior angles are congruent. We have a pair of angles here that were given to us that were marked that are also congruent. So right now, just based on that fact alone, I can say that the triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity. And if we notice, this side resides in between these two angles, this side resides in between those two angles, which means that the 6 and the 8 match up in terms of sides of the triangles. However, since they are different, those are not a 1-to-1 ratio, they are not congruent. So these triangles are simply similar. They're going to be similar by angle-angle similarity. And so let's see what we got. There's no labels here, so I'm just going to label these up. Say this is point E right there. So we have angle BAC. Is equal to angle CDE, and those are because they were alternate interior. Like those ones that I marked have parallel lines, alternate interior angles are congruent, and then the ones that we were given, how about angle B equals angle D, because that was given information. Using those two pieces of information, those two angles, we can say that triangle ABC is, it's not equal, it is similar to triangle, let's see, ABC matches up with CDE. And the reason that they are similar is because of angle-angle similarity. So the first pair, nothing going on at all. Second pair was just similar by angle-angle. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave.